Welcome back. This session, I'm going to teach you how to create a project. We'll discuss about the fields in a project and the coordinates of how you will be able to view the exact location of a project. Can begin. This permission, you need the permission of a project manager to manage projects. Come here, assign a project name. You can say project 001. A ZREF or a reference can just be a reference. A reference is that unique reference number that that refers to that specific project. Have the project type. Is it fiber? Is it power? Or any other project type that is available? Which country the project is in? Which city? These assist us later in terms of reporting. Which client? The allocated funds. The allocated funds is the amount that is going to be used for that specific project. It covers the material budget, it covers the labor, it covers the internal expenses, and it also covers any other expenses incurred for that project. How do you come up with these allocated funds? Allocated fund, maybe from the design, you can be able to tell exactly, you can predetermine exactly how much this project is going to bring in terms of income. Then you can work backward. Just a way of coming up with the allocated that you do not want to exceed this amount on executing this specific project. So that anytime that it is exceeding this amount, it gives you a red flag. The system gives you a red flag. And now you are eating into your profit. Status will work at the moment, we'll work with active. The longitude and the latitude, I'll be showing you the coordinates type. Here are the coordinates type. We want them in this format. The system accepts it in this format. Then we have the county, the constituency, and the location. So once we have this, you can save. And now the system, this section of the map interprets the coordinates and creates a drop-in with the details of that project, and it will be visible here. You can convert it into this format and you'll be able to see exactly your exact location of your project. In terms of this will help you in terms of organizing which town is near, so that you can coordinate the middle position, maybe to set up a store, to deliver your materials and all that. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session. We dive deeper into the project. But before that, let's also touch on the sub project. Maybe you have worked on a project and it is almost complete, but you need an extra, there's some additional work that cannot be attached to the main projects, and you need to create an additional. We'll come to that point, you click on it. This one we had already created one. Let's touch on Kapenguria. So you just come here and click a sub project. You give it a name. You can still remain with Kapenguria additional. Then you click to create a sub project or an additional of that project. Whatever is created or the expenses that is covered in the additional project, or the work that is done under the additional part of that project, becomes a singular project to the main. It becomes a child of the main project. So in terms of the materials that are going to be issued, they still follow under the main project. In terms of the expenses of the project, the additional follows under the internal. When you are under the main project, under the mother, let's call it the mother project, when you are invoicing, you'll be able to invoice the main project and its sub project together as a single project. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session.